Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys a really amazing iPhone hack. What I would like to call the best iPhone hack ever. This is really cool and it's actually very easy. All you have to do is just follow a few simple steps that I will show you guys on this video, and you can achieve that in a matter of seconds. Now another step you should follow is hitting the subscribe button just underneath this video. Make sure to do that because most of you guys, even though you're watching the videos, you're still not subscribed to the channel, so that would really help a ton. So make sure to subscribe and of course leave a like on this video, as it will help the video do much better. Now let's get started. So here we are on the home screen of my device. You can see all we have here is the dock with the icons and a blank page, but there is actually a lot on this page. So if I go to the dark mode, you can see we're on the dark mode. Same thing again, nothing here. I can just swipe like this and reveal actually a lot of stuff on this page, or just quickly hide everything that we have here. Just like that, we have a blank page again. Now this is a really cool trick that you can do with home screen widgets and use an app. Now this app is really cool, and this is the app that makes the difference. I've shown this trick before, but we had apps that actually had labels on them. This one that has just been released on the App Store doesn't have a label at all. So when you add the widgets from the app, you can see there are no labels, just a clear page right here, which looks really good. Now the app is called Clear Widgets. It's really cool. It is free from the App Store and very simple to use. Now let me show you guys how to create these on the home screen of your device. The first thing you will need is of course the app. Make sure to download it for free from the App Store by using the link that I will leave right down below in the description of the video. Once you have the app installed, head on to the settings app and set your wallpaper. When you set a wallpaper, you can set any wallpaper you want. Just make sure that you turn off perspective zoom. Do it from here, perspective zoom off, and you're good to go. Now what you need to do is head on to the home screen of your device, go to the edit mode and swipe to the last page where there are no icons and you have only the dock here with the icons. Take a screenshot of this, and if you're using a wallpaper, a stock wallpaper of iOS that has a dark mode and a light mode, you need to take two screenshots. Take one on the dark mode and then go ahead and switch to the light mode and do the same again. So here, take a screenshot as well, and now you're good to go. Now if you're using like a custom wallpaper, a different wallpaper for your device, it will stay the same on the dark mode and the light mode. You can only take one screenshot, it doesn't matter. After you have done this, make sure you go ahead and open the app. Here we'll have the light mode wallpaper and the dark mode wallpaper. Again, if you're using another wallpaper that will stay the same, you just load the same on both of these. So just tap on any of these and go ahead and load the wallpapers you just took a screenshot of from the library of your device. Once you have loaded here the screenshots, all is left to do is add the home screen widgets. So go ahead and go to the widgets panel, tap the plus here, find the app here and add the widget, whichever one you want. Of course, you can add a small one, a medium one, or a big one. Now you can see that doesn't look that good at all, but what you will have to do is 3D touch on it, tap on edit widget, and choose right there the place where you have placed your widgets. So in this case, we have bottom left. So choose bottom left right there, and there it goes. You can see how cool that looks. Now if you want to add another widget to it, it will make it really cool. So let's add and stack a widget on top of it. So here we have another widget. We can just stack these like that, and you can see how cool that looks. We have a widget here, but at any time it just disappears just like that. You can bring it up and disappear it anytime you want. And of course you can have multiple widgets there. Just when you do this and you want to have the widgets maybe hidden all of the time and just reveal them anytime you want, make sure to tap here 3D touch and tap on edit stack and just disable smart rotate here so it doesn't rotate automatically, and you're good to go. That's how easy it is to create these widgets with all blank labels on the home screen of your device. That's really cool. In my opinion, one of the best hacks that you can do on your iPhone right now. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and I will see you on the next one.